Hi English learner. In this session you will learn daily routine vocabulary.
Hey, I'm ready. Let's start shadowing together.
We'll cover wake up, snooze button, stretch, workout, take a shower, and get dressed.
Great. Plus breakfast, on the go, leave home, traffic, and commute.
Then podcasts, lunch break, finish work, gym, cook dinner, pasta, and stir fry.
Also evening hobbies, bedtime routine, meditate, sleep well, and relax.
Perfect. You'll also practice routine, good habit, and morning habit phrases.
Awesome. Let's begin.
What time do you usually wake up in the morning? What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up around 6:30. I usually wake up around 6:30.
That's early. Do you hit the snooze button? That's early. Do you hit the snooze button?
Sometimes, but I try to get up right away. Sometimes, but I try to get up right away.
Good habit. What's the first thing you do? Good habit. What's the first thing you do?
I drink a glass of water and stretch a bit. I drink a glass of water and stretch a bit.
Healthy start. Do you exercise in the morning? Healthy start. Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do a quick workout for 20 minutes. Yes, I do a quick workout for 20 minutes.
Impressive. Then what's next in your routine? Impressive. Then what's next in your routine?
I take a shower and get dressed for work. I take a shower and get dressed for work.
Do you eat breakfast at home or on the go? Do you eat breakfast at home or on the go?
I prefer eating at home, it's more relaxing. I prefer eating at home, it's more relaxing.
What do you usually have for breakfast? What do you usually have for breakfast?
Usually eggs, toast, and a cup of coffee. Usually eggs, toast, and a cup of coffee.
Sounds delicious. What time do you leave home? Sounds delicious. What time do you leave home?
I leave around 8 to avoid traffic. I leave around 8 to avoid traffic.
Smart. How do you get to work or school? Smart. How do you get to work or school?
I take the bus, it's about 30 minutes. I take the bus, it's about 30 minutes.
Do you listen to anything during your commute? Do you listen to anything during your commute?
Yes, I listen to podcasts or music. Yes, I listen to podcasts or music.
Nice. What time does your work start? Nice. What time does your work start?
My work starts at 9 in the morning. My work starts at 9 in the morning.
Do you take breaks during the day? Do you take breaks during the day?
Yes, I have a lunch break at noon. Yes, I have a lunch break at noon.
Where do you usually eat lunch? Where do you usually eat lunch?
I bring my own lunch from home. I bring my own lunch from home.
That's economical and healthy. That's economical and healthy.
Yes, and I save money too. Yes, and I save money too.
What time do you finish work? What time do you finish work?
I finish around 5 in the evening. I finish around 5 in the evening.
Do you go straight home after work? Do you go straight home after work?
Sometimes I stop at the gym first. Sometimes I stop at the gym first.
Great. What do you do when you get home? Great. What do you do when you get home?
I relax for a bit and check my phone. I relax for a bit and check my phone.
Do you cook dinner or order food? Do you cook dinner or order food?
I cook dinner most nights of the week. I cook dinner most nights of the week.
What's your favorite dish to cook? What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta and stir fry. I love making pasta and stir fry.
Yum. Do you watch TV after dinner? Yum. Do you watch TV after dinner?
Sometimes, or I read a book instead. Sometimes, or I read a book instead.
Do you have any evening hobbies? Do you have any evening hobbies?
I like to practice English or draw. I like to practice English or draw.
That's wonderful. What time do you sleep? That's wonderful. What time do you sleep?
I try to sleep by 10:30. I try to sleep by 10:30.
Do you have a bedtime routine? Do you have a bedtime routine?
Yes, I brush my teeth and meditate. Yes, I brush my teeth and meditate.
Perfect routine. Do you sleep well? Perfect routine. Do you sleep well?
Yes, I usually sleep 7 to 8 hours. Yes, I usually sleep 7 to 8 hours.
That's healthy. Thanks for sharing your routine. That's healthy. Thanks for sharing your routine.
Thank you. This conversation was fun. Thank you. This conversation was fun.
Great job. Practice these lines 3 times today.
Comment down below when you finish the challenge.
Subscribe for more shadowing videos every week.
See you in the next one. Keep practicing.